A girl has a special kind of art or imagination other than the future. She feels like colors with rainbow stars in the night of the flying creature. A girl had never thought about her artistic future. She wants all her dreams and sunshine to be a part. A girl who had help of believing figures who try to make her feel the shine. She never wants shine, but they force her to never again go to misery and want to the full blue moon. A girl loves Japan that filled her with a curious experience and hope to visit there someday. She most of time hears silence of anime to make her listen to her tied tightly in a rope. A girl has fears of anime pictures drawn by successful artists, each with an unknown fate. She hides her face away from beauty to make her face the failures and hate. A girl has never seen fun, adventure, and paradise outside of dancing and freedom. She sees laziness, sleeping, and eating inside of hurt and boredom. A girl had suffered from homesick when she leaves her place with her mind of craziness. She survives places to help reach her mind of new fun and happiness. A girl who is autistic and has a leashed mind that copies and traps entertainment from anywhere and secures them to herself. She never wanted her mind to be locked up, she needed her mind to be unleashed and speak for itself. A girl had never wanted to die early or become an ugly, grieving slut. She prays to live more and see the future and never want her unique artistic ability to be forever cut. A girl must see the present now instead of thinking and waiting for her future to arrive. She must enjoy herself and have fun once in a while, or anything negative thought from her mind will betray her. A girl has a family who sometimes make her feel important or rejected. She has younger siblings who she tries to get along with, but feels being overpowered by them. A girl had daydream love, fantasy, and sex. She feels she wants to be part of her own world, but she needs to think before she acts. Who is the girl who loves Japan and wants to someday visit there? Who is the girl who should never brood over about her difficult childhood? Who is the girl who used to believe her autism has power over her life? Who is the girl who believed is an underachiever? Who is the girl who loves anime yet unsure if she's truly an anime fan? That girl is I,